Hey there, everybody. Z here, coming at you live once more through the power of the ProLemon SEO channel, brought to you by ProLemon and presented to you by me, Z. Okay, and in today's video, we're going to be answering a more specific question. Why should you, as somebody who does photography, videography, video editing, photo editing, why should you create a website? All right, and more specifically, why should you do that and get somebody to do the SEO for you? And this is really simple, okay? Because it is the most effective way of marketing your website or your profile to the people around you, okay? Let's say, for example, you are a college student, a university student, you are, just going through the motions, you love photography as a side gig, you need some extra income, you decide, you know what, it's going to cost me like, what, $10 a month? I'm just going to make a website to try and market myself. I'll make a Facebook page, an Instagram page, a YouTube page, and a TikTok page. And I'll just kind of throw out there what I do, right? So you take photos, you do random stuff, you do some events for close people around you that know you do photography. You start posting them online, and people are going to start seeing it, and it's going to start building some traction. Okay? And here's where the beauty of the SEO comes into play. When I was looking for this website, right? This is not our website for Lemon. This is just a random website I just grabbed off the internet. I searched wedding photographers, right? Near me. And or wedding or photographers' portfolios, right? And the first things that popped up for me were a bunch of templates, stunning designs, like all these template sites, top 10 lists, all of these things. And I was like, okay, that's not really no use for me. So I changed it to wedding photography near me. And suddenly they popped up on the first page and just grabbed them because I really like their style. Okay, that's one way that this is super effective at getting your name out there. Pardon? If you, for example, do Instagram and you're posting photos on there, they're free. If you're doing it on Facebook, they're free. YouTube, they're free. TikTok, they're free. But these people are not likely to click through everything, right? Maybe you have in your bio, it's like, hey, come to my website to see what I can do for you, or something along those lines. And that brings you to this homepage, right? Immediately, they can see, okay, you're doing luxury wedding photography and videography. Okay, so immediately they know, okay, it's wedding stuff, right? Maybe if you're doing, random, like you can change this to premium photography and videography, right? You don't have to put luxury wedding in there, and just like maybe a slideshow of images here or video playing in the background that's sort of blurred over, right? Then you can look at, okay, maybe I am interested in this. Maybe a friend of mine's wedding coming up, maybe my own wedding's coming up, and I want to see, okay, what are your packages like? Okay, I click on packages, and now I can see, oh, nice. Okay, so you've got a bronze package, a silver package, and a gold package. Okay, okay, bronze is 6 hours, bride and groom prep, location, decor, ceremony, family, couple photos. Really nice, right? Okay, this one here, one photographer plus an assistant photographer. Okay, 100 standard retouch images. Okay, 400 process images, images applied digitally. Okay, cool. Now we'll look at this. Okay, so other ones slightly longer. Okay, maybe I'm going to have a 9 hour wedding. Some people have 12, 13-hour weddings. So, okay, cool. Everything basically is the same there. Okay, now we've got something like speeches and reception. Okay, maybe I want them to record the speeches and reception. Maybe I want really good quality in video, like on my speech and reception. Okay, this gives me 150 standard retouched images and 700 high resolution processed images, right? Nice. So I could see, okay, maybe I could, they don't have the prices yet. It'd be great if they had the prices. I'm like, okay, maybe I can't afford the gold, but I can afford the silver, and I'm willing to splurge a bit. I'll go for the silver because it's going to be a special day. It's once in a lifetime, right? And then immediately, okay, now how do I contact you? Click contact us. Cool. Oh, and I really like that they have this here. Um, this here video is separate. I mean, I suppose, but you know what I mean. Um, and I want to see, like, okay, so what's your portfolio look like? All right, can I see some of the stuff that you've done before? Oh, this is really nice. I really like the style. It's very authentic, very like um, what's the word? Cinematic, very cinematic, very very beautiful. Absolutely love it. Okay, these people are sold me, right? But the process is that your website acts as an online portfolio. You can share it via business cards, you can share it via WhatsApp, you can share it easily on the internet. You can communicate with people by just sharing your website, and they see it's like, oh, cool. I mean, personally, for my friend's wedding, I hired a two old guys I saw playing rock guitar at randomly at a bar that we were all at. All right. So that's one of those things where it's like you find these people, you communicate with them, they have something that eventually catches at you, and you bring them forward. Because remember, let's say you charge, say, $250, right? Just for like 6 hours of photography. I'm not sure about the photography prices, to be honest. I've never dealt with that. I can tell you how much I paid for the music, not the photography. And you're like, okay, cool. My website is going to cost me, I don't know, $150 to run, right, for the year. Right, just for example, that's actually on the high end. So let's say $150 for the year to run if I know how to upload my photos and all of that, and I'm willing to watch YouTube videos. All I need is one client to pay for that website and then some for the year. If I get two clients, it's all straight profit. Think of it like this: the amount of money you put in the beginning is going to be reflective of the amount of money you're going to get out in the end. If you're willing to spend $150 to $200 on your website, knowing that even like one or two clients can cover that costs, great, that's perfect. If you aren't willing to do that, maybe do something smaller. But these kinds of things playing into social media and a website can really start putting your name out there. Hope this was informative. Hope this was insightful. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.